Hi guys, it's Abby. Welcome back to another video. I'm so sorry that I haven't been, doing YouTube for so long. I just had a lot of busy things going on in my life. I got a GoPro for Christmas, which was nice. And, today just feels like it's my first day. I know I'm probably very glitchy right now. But it is my first day actually playing Roblox on the computer. Well, I mean, actually recording it on the computer. So. Alright, so let's play. Alright, it's just like, probably might be like very glitchy. It's probably gonna be like super glitchy, so. I'm doing ASMR. I'm kidding, no. Hey, we are in Murder Mystery. Hey. Really? Oh yeah, Santa's Workshop. How much does it cost for a Christmas box? Let's see. I do have 0 winter keys, but I have winter tokens. Let me put you guys down a little bit more. I'm kidding, I'm holding you guys down. That's the problem, that I have to go. And I just have to, well, this is my normal sitting place, but I'm not very comfortable. Okay, hold on. Who in here likes to party? I don't know why I just said that. Hold on. Flashy dance. Hold on. This is getting serious. Ow. Get my chair back. Okay. Back. Yikes. Who's the last person in the movie? The last person in the movie theater. That's here the camera is at. What? Come here. Just wait. I'm here. Lights, camera, action. Alright. We got this. Drink my chemical. Just gonna say, JK, I'm all about the JKs. I love to talk to people. Drink my cherry cola, we can hit it solo. Lights, camera, action. Drink my cherry cola, she gon' hit it solo. Let's vote for that one. I just randomly have a fork because I like to eat my Jello. Actually, there's some left. Put you up there for on the printer. So what am I? I murdered! Yes. Alrighty, so we're just gonna murder this guy off of the bat. Alrighty. Gonna guard the gun, kill the sheriff. Nobody's gonna steal the gun. So I'm gonna stand up right on top of it. Okay. We're just quickly grabbing. You know what? I'm just gonna go out and kill everyone else. I don't care. Because the sheriff is killed, so you know what's the point? Sorry if this is so glitchy. Okay, let's see where people went. Somebody got the gun. But they went. I'm going to follow everyone till they die. They literally just keep going around in circles. Like, who's the sheriff? Killer, 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 killer. Yeah. Gotta kill her, 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 gotta kill her. God, I was gone. Well, guys, that will be it for today. It's just gonna do like a little quick game, but I will be uploading more gaming videos soon your way. So make sure to like and subscribe, and in the comments below, let me know if you are great. Bye.